Hello and welcome to my Masterclass 247 review. I'm Ed Kerwin and we'll get straight into it, but if you stay till the end I will also reveal my Masterclass 247 bonus. Okay, without further ado, let's have a look inside. I'm inside Masterclass 24/7 from AOP, Art of Purpose. And you'll see it's an amazing amount of information in here, which grows day by day. So starting at the top, you've got all past webinars. If you just have a look through here, this J.K. Molino is quickest way to get 10,000 followers. Save Your Sons, everything you need to know about networking. Wealth Dad, how to earn 100,000, and the list goes on and on. It's quite extraordinary amount of information in here, and you'll never need anything else, quite frankly. Starting here at the welcome video, and the course comes with a Discord room, which I'll get back to later, but that's what it is. You've got right at the beginning, the blueprint to the first 90 days, the ultimate Twitter guide, and then it goes on more. And this is just opening the webinars page. Okay, 5 reasons you're not making sales, and so on and so on and so on. I'll just scroll down slowly so you can just get an idea of the volume of information that is in this program. It's quite extraordinary. In fact, I think I'm even going to run out of screen before we get there. There's 3 more there at the bottom. Okay, so that is just under the webinars section. Then you've got spaces, which are run every week. Have a look at those very, very regularly. As I say, I'm just trying to scroll slowly so that you can get a full idea of what is involved with Masterclass 24/7. Welcome video, and then you've got all these free gift for Masterclass, viral tweet contests, all the different things that are going on in the Discord group. I'll just open one here, growth hacks for new accounts, for instance. I hope you can see that. Articles. It's a whole library of information, and audio tapes, and so on and so on and so forth. So when you get through all these lessons, which is quite, it's extensive, it's huge, it's absolutely huge. Okay, and then you move over to the Discord group, which is here. This is a very, very busy room. There's a thread room that teaches you how to do threads, but you can also have them criticized. There's courses, there's services, there's the Create 24 channel room, 101 ways, and then you've got growth strategies. These are all discussed with some of the people and many more, like J.K. Molino and Save Your Sons and others, all in here helping. Clint the coach, tweet affiliate multiplier, promo editing room, personal branding, the entrepreneur's den, the memes room, tweets that work, and introductions. You can meet people in here, you can do network in here very, very well. It's a very, very busy place, and I can't think of anything else that you'd need to help you succeed. Except, of course, my Masterclass 247 exclusive bonus, where you'll get 4 weeks of personal email support and guidance from me. You can ask me anything you like over that 4-week period, and all you need to do is email your receipt to me at edwardkerwin@gmail.com. And don't worry if you forget that email address, because I will have yours and I will write you a reminder if I don't hear from you in a reasonably timely manner. Okay? So that is Masterclass 24/7, which I can thoroughly recommend. All the top people giving you all the top information. All you have to do is go through it and apply it. So there you are. That's a review of Masterclass 24/7, and I hope it helps you. It's Ed Kerwin saying bye-bye for now. Bye-bye.